San Diego County's coaster commuter train is in the process of overhauling its entire fleet. In 2020, North County Transit District, the owner of the railroad, received 5 brand new SC-44 Charger locomotives built by Siemens Mobility to replace the original fleet of 5 F40 PHM-2C locomotives. That same year, NCTD began a project to refresh every passenger car owned by the railroad. The new Chargers and first 4 overhauled cars, resplendent in a brand new paint job, entered service on February 8, 2021. Throughout the rest of 2021 and into 2022, NCTD continued refurbishment of the 28-car fleet. As of early 2022, 2 cab control cars and 6 standard coaches have been overhauled, with several others in progress. Additionally, cab cars 2301 and 2302 were given a special vinyl wrapping in the new scheme to match the overhauled cars. Most of the cars, still retaining the original coaster livery, were given advertising wraps, a common practice on many commuter railroads and light rail lines as a way of generating more revenue. In October of 2021, North County Transit District began a new coaster schedule featuring 15 weekday round trips and 10 each Saturday and Sunday in an effort to provide more consistent coaster service throughout the day. With the new schedule in place, the railroad must use a total of 5 train sets instead of the previous 4. As a result, all trains were shortened to 4 cars in length, while several cars were out of service for their overhaul. NCTD also brought the 2 F59 PHI locomotives back into service as spare power. These locomotives are scheduled to be replaced with additional Charger locomotives in 2023. Let's travel to San Diego County in early 2022 to see coaster trains as they operate during this major transitional period for the railroad. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this look at coaster trains in early 2022. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more like it in the future, let me know in the comments below and hit the like button. For regular upload notifications, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. To see even more train and railroad themed content, join me on my other social media pages. I'll see you next Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific time for an all-new railroad themed adventure right here on the YouTube channel. That's it for now. Until next time, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'll see you down the line. Thanks for watching.